Drop like a millionaire. Yeah, that's that team use. They want you to download a friggin'. Oh, you got one?
Yeah, well, I had one. Gramps got one too. As soon as I released that, he said double. I didn't even know. Fuck, that thing just hit me in the face. He took your tail though. Stop. I was about to say, I don't know what to tell you. You got one? Yeah. Oh! First one of the day though. Good. Finally. I know. Dealing with this wind, the weatherman lied today. Come on. Come on. First fish of the day. Weatherman lied. It is, not as much as us. I don't, they might be hitting it at a better angle. Get the net. You get the net?
Well, I got wound in. Wait for you to catch one.
No. He's barely hooked. Yes, sir. What should we do? This chunk. What is it? Come on. Oh yeah, ain't bad at all. This guy got 3.5. See what he is. He's about 17.5, almost 18. Let's get some more. Windy day. Weatherman lied. There you go again. Feels good too. Oh yeah. Oh, he's not as good. I'm just gonna flip him. But yes sir, oh my. That's kinda sucked. He wouldn't have been on there very easy. Number 2. Cast, I'm almost in. Neck. This one's huge. This thing's a 5 bigger than the last.
Yeah, right.
Look, 6. I tell you, yeah. Oh my, yes sir. Yes sir. Here we go. Look at that. That's a tank there. Look at that. Right in the face. Oh yeah. Say about a 4-pounder. He's long. Right after the. Let's see what he measures. Talking 19 inches. A little over 19. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There she goes. That's what happens when you go towards it. You can't fucking keep up with them.
You told you can keep up with it. You're forward stuff.
Still not good enough. Net?
Still good.
Maybe that's the one I missed. Oh, he's all right. Yes, sir. Big old mouth. Oh, he's heavier than I thought, huh? He's solid. He might be pushing 2.5. He's thick.
I need one of them nets to throw out behind. Hold you back.
Uh-huh. They make those? Ah, kind of like a parachute on a car. That. You hear this thing strip and drag?
Oh, you got a drum.
I think I got a big cat. Or 10-pounder, but he's under the fucking boat.
Don't break your line.
I'm not. Look at this, guys.
Wow.
I can't hit the trolling motor.
Don't let it get on it.
I got it. Well, it's gonna be a little bit. I can't move him. I can't move him. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'll loosen my drag even more. I ain't breaking him off. Shit, he wants to go out, we'll follow him.
Haven't seen nothing yet.
Probably big old flat. He's coming up. I don't want him to roll. You know what they do at the top?
Yeah, then break your line.
I got my drag loose now. Look at that. Could be a 30-pound drum. Now look at that. I only got 12-pound line on this one. It sucks with this wind. I don't want to force them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know. He just keeps going down.
Oh, I see the tail.
All right. Finally. Big old blue. Get that out of there. No, I'll grab him. I'm grabbing him like that. Ha ha ha. There we go. Mr. Blue Cat. I'm gonna get a picture of him, then we'll get the release. Let's say 8-pound blue or so. There it goes. It's a Peabody after that or something. And yeah, that's when it was colder out too, I think. I don't know. Way easier casting downwind. I'm tripling my distance.
Yeah, you ain't got that big ball you like.
There's one. It does. Yes, sir. No, we have not caught a drum yet, surprisingly. Last guy hooked me in the hand, so I'm gonna be careful with this. Come on. Aha. Buddy. There's like worms or something on him. Gramps got one too. As soon as I released that, he said double. I didn't even know. Fuck, that thing just hit me in the face. He took your tail though. Stop. Yeah, I always heard crankbaits work better when you get a longer cast. Another one. This one's acrobatic. Oh, that's because I hooked him on the top of the head. Yeah, I'm gonna take a second with him. There we go. Yep. Well, my battery's already dead. Is that a fish?
Yeah, just
You're using it no tail? You're not using a tail? I can get you one. It ain't gonna be the Asian carp. Remember we caught that one?
Oh yeah.
That thing's 40 pounder, so I'm getting tapped.
Up to the boat.
Yep. Good one. No, I don't need the net though. Yes, sir. Just like that. Get the pliers for him. I already had one hook in my hand today. This hooked all weird. Not bad. Her hair still. Gotta get the pliers for him. Unfortunately. Oh. Feels good.
I think you picked the right bait today.
Oh yeah. Another 3 pounder or so. Oh no, 2.5. Not bad at all. Alright. Pipsqueak. Turn the music off.
Take a truck, take a Chevy.
It ain't nutter. Another pipsqueak.
A little bigger than a pipsqueak.
Woo!
He's good enough, big enough to get to that.
Right by the boat.
You ain't gonna tell him that one.
Little pipsqueak. Another pipsqueak. Ah, now he's flopping. Well, yeah, I know the cloud's gonna be a little bit better. This one beat the pits. Yeah, this ain't no pipsqueak. There we go. Look at that. That's how you know you're throwing the right bait. Yeah, I need the pliers for him. Oh, damn, he's starting to bleed. Oh, it's a good one. Net.
Oh, it ain't that big.
Oh, it's side hook, that's why. I think.
It's not roll up.
Yeah, it's hooked in the back. No, it's hooked in the mouth. Just the gill plate. Need the pliers for him. We'll find out, I guess, on the video. Oh, I thought it was good. Probably the way he hit it. Another one of these pipsqueaks. He's gonna flop. Just wait. I know, right by the boat. I stopped to reel it in, or I stopped to like,
Pick it up.
yeah, and it just wait.
Yeah, they run it smaller too. All about that same size.
Yeah, pipsqueaks.
Think about taking this down to the gas today.
What? This weekend?
We can run that big hole.
Oh, something net. Net.
Another blue jet.
No, I think it's a bass. Just big. He's here. Head shakes. Ah, drum! Finally.
Oh, they got the silver jet.
Big ol' ugly thing. Put him right here. Still a pretty small drum though.
First silverfish we've had today.
I know.